Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Portmore and we're going to give you an update on the Portmore Resilience Park. Now this is a 26-acre facility that the government of Jamaica is building in Portmore. It's right across from the Portmore Mall. I think the correct address is Dawkins Avenue. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. And based on how far they have reached, I think it will finish sometime this year. They were hoping to finish it in time for independence, but as you can see, they didn't make that deadline. The city of Portmore, long known as Jamaica's Sunshine City, is on the verge of transformation with the development of the Portmore Resilience Park. This project, now under construction, is not only a bold step in urban renewal, but also a symbolic cornerstone in Portmore's transition to becoming Jamaica's 15th parish. At a cost of approximately $4.4 billion, the park represents one of the most ambitious public green space projects in the island's history, combining recreation, commerce, sustainability, and climate innovation into a single development. Occupying a 26-acre site along Dawkins Drive in the Portmore town centre, the Resilience Park is designed as a multifunctional space where residents can gather, exercise, and engage in cultural activities. About 21.5 acres will be devoted to recreational and green space, with the remainder allocated for commercial activity and a transportation hub. Among the planned features are a 700-meter jogging track with elevated sections, indoor and outdoor sports facilities, an outdoor gym, tennis and pickleball courts, and an open-air concert space. Completing these will be shops, kiosks, restrooms, parking, and shaded rest areas to ensure comfort and accessibility for all. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And also let us know when you think it's going to finish. Alright guys, have a good day.